So we got down to here, cleaned this one. You see there it will say not valid. You can press help clean, it will bring up an option for you. What you're meant to do is actually go select this one and then just type clean without the disk there. You can see here, this one now selected, put clean, this part C and clean the disk. Alright, so now we want to do list 9. Want to go select the disk. Select this one, enter it, and we can. This is where you can go format it or create your size. Actually, I'm going to put a few partitions on this because I'm wanting it for a few different things. A couple partitions at least, anyway. I'll put 3. I mean, you got to be careful too. MBR disks. I've got a funny feeling you can only put 2 or 3 operating systems. So you've got to convert it to a GPT disk. Windows installs some don't like that though. But so we could format the drive right now. So you could go format and file system equals NTFS or ext, just whatever file system you're wanting to use there. And after you've got file system equals what, let's say NTFS, you go size equals, just leave it like that actually, sorry, format. But I'm actually going to format it because it's actually already formatted. Well, some of it is. I'll format one of them shortly. So we're going to go and create a partition anyway. So we're going to go create partition primary, and you notice I'm not using the whole words. You don't have to with these. Right, create partition primary, and you want to go where are we? So you want to go size equals, now this is a 500 GB hard drive, so you can see there it's got 465. So then I want to split that up, so I only want to take 40 and 40 and leave the rest as a big one. So let's say primary size equals, we want to go size equals yeah, whatever, 80. So 80 GB, so you want to go 80, 1, 2, 3. Alright. It succeeded. Now the next partition, I know I've done this the wrong way around. I don't actually want that one as my first partition. Well, there's my second and third, so I've made a mistake here. So we want to go list disk. So if you make a mistake, this is how you can get rid of it. And then go select this one. Select this one. And then list partitions. Now we just created that partition before. So there'll be a partition here, just one at 80. There you go, 78 GB. Okay, now we want to go select partition. Partition 1. And you want to go delete. Oh, delete part, sorry. Alright, so she's back to being deleted again. So now we go list disk again. And select this one. So as you can see, it can take some time depending on what you're planning to do. That's just the way of doing it if you're having trouble not being able to do it anywhere else. Right, select this one, and we want to go right, create partition primary, and size equals 465. So let's say we'll make that 320. It's 80. So we'll go 3. Shall we go 308? 1, 2, 3. And enter. Alright, now I want to create another one. Create partition primary. Size equals 80. 1, 2, 3. Boom. We go create partition primary. Size equals we'll go 72,000 with this one. Actually, I want to put space for some other stuff, so we'll go 70,000. Alright, so we'll go list discs. Actually, I might just go list partitions, see if it brings them up. There we go. So now we've got 3 partitions. The first one, 300 GB, next one 78, next one 68. Alrighty. So we're all sorted. Right, so now we can exit out of there. Now you're all good. Now you've got an empty drive, you've got your few partitions on it. And then it's just up to installing. So, put that hard drive back in the computer, put your installation disks in, push your F12, go into your boot menus, and then run whatever operating system and select to put it into one of these here. Oh, well, I hope this helped anyway with the problem of trying to sort of delete anything on your disk. And as I say, format was the same. Sort of set up format, and then your file system equals, and then let us do it. So after you've selected the disk. But anyway, that's it. Hope it helps. Cheers.